Asian Games also held in China. You know which city? For mediums, for broadcasting. And also now some days it's also open for publics. And take the photo from here of bird nest. This is the best. So this is the bird nest. That is our national stadiums for opening and closing ceremony. Before the torch was standing, but after the games they remove it. They remove the torch. Maybe that is only the things we can do now. Did you done your photo? You done?
Yeah.
Okay. If who cannot take the photo, please share.